Hi everybody, this is Nico at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois with my new friend Matt. Congratulations, you got a beautiful, you got the brand new Colorado. 2015 Colorado LT, it's gorgeous, red, beautiful, yeah.
Lovely.
You love it?
Oh yeah, very much.
Isn't it nice?
Oh yeah, very nice.
Well, I appreciate your business and all that. How
No
did
problem.
Phillips Chevrolet do for you? How did we do for you?
Thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did we do good?
Pretty good.
How did I do for you?
Right. Yeah, everything's just fine.
The best, huh?
Oh yeah, very bad.
Congratulations,
Thank
buddy.
you.
I appreciate it. It's great meeting you people and great people like Matt over here and making them happy. So that's what we're here for, and that's why we're #1 in the Midwest. Come visit Nico over here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois.